Have you ever found yourself staring at a blank page and have zero clue where to start? The biggest thing getting in the way of most artists and creating is often and simply starting. It's at the heart of artist block. That moment of anxiety where you need to perform well or even perfectly getting in the way of just getting started. Pretty much every artist who has ever lived has experienced this, and many have come up with a bunch of different ways to kick off a piece of art. Especially to overcome that critical inner voice that demands everything be gallery material. This episode of 5 Minute Art School is going to focus on how to get something on the page and start enjoying the process of a creation. All of which focus on creating an imperfect starting position and encourage creativity and exploration. For our first exercise, we're going to start really small and simple, like a squiggle or a single dot, and build off of that. For example, if I want to draw a random figure, I'll just throw down a single line of action and see where that takes me for the rest of the drawing. Imagine it like a seed of a new living creature and how it might grow and evolve. For our second exercise, we're going to take our favorite art materials like paint, watercolor, or charcoal and just randomly spread it on the page. I'm going to end up using watered down gouache for myself. I'm going to take a look at the random patterns formed by the paint on the paper as it dries, kind of like recognizing shapes in clouds. For digital artists, you can do something very similar with a highly detailed texture brush in most applications. For our third exercise, we're going to try working on an unconventional surface. Maybe a collage of magazines, an unusually textured or patterned piece of paper, or even something as unusual as some wood or a chunk of concrete if you can find some. This is an opportunity to take advantage of concepts that exist in design language, like repetition and unity, to transform these surfaces into something uniquely yours. For our fourth exercise, we're going to try working blindfolded, or at least close your eyes. Make your first few marks without looking at all, and see shapes that emerge. There's even a concept in figure drawing called the blind contour, where you draw the figure, never taking your eyes off of it, while maintaining a single continuous line to define the forms. This exercise is also pretty good to break that fear of drawing something bad, because you literally could not see. But it's kind of surprising how good it can end up looking once you have taken some time to practice this. And for our final exercise, have someone else start the image for you. Even a non-artist. Have them draw a shape or to start up a picture and you complete it. This is just fun and can end up looking quite silly, especially if you didn't see the whole part of the picture they drew. Like, for example, if they drew legs but only showed you the lines of the edges of the legs. In a future episode, I'd like to go over the inner reasons we feel that anxiety and how a change in mindset, as well as daily practice, can make all the difference. If you want to see more videos like this or other art and creativity videos, give me a follow, like it if you liked, or even join the Discord to become part of the community and get feedback on your work. Thanks for stopping by Witchy's Workshop. Later! Oh crap. Have you ever found yourself staring at myself in the screen on the other side while talking? I'm so pretty.